సూపర్ క్యూట్ హీరోయిన్ ఎవరో సినిమాలో హీరోయిన్ గా యాక్ట్ చేసిన పంచి బోరా స్పెషల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ మీకోసం. Hi Panchi.
Hi India Glitz. I'm Panchi Bora and my movie is releasing on 26. It's named Yavaru. Please go and watch it.
ఎవరుతో ఇప్పటి వరకు మీ జర్నీ ఎలా ఉంది?
It's been really good. I'm really excited about this movie, especially because it's my first horror flick in Telugu. Earlier, I think all my subjects of the movies are like little different. First was a love story. Second was again a little bit of horror twist was there in Ukata Ulkipatara. And third movie was based on Reservation, that was Arakshanam, and this movie is like based on certain things that starts happening to Yamini, that's my character, and how Tarak Ratna, who is playing Shekhar, helps me to solve the mystery around the house, which is paranormal activities are happening.
ఎవరు సినిమా ఎక్కువగా సైకలాజికల్ థ్రిల్లరా లేక హారర్ ఫ్లిక్కా?
It's actually the horror twist is there in the sense that there is a negative energy which is playing a lot of tricks around the character Yamini, and how she's scared also because she doesn't know whether she's hallucinating or it's for real. So the character itself is confused whether it's actually happening or is it just her imagination. So you can say that it's a psychological thriller as well as the horror element is there.
మొదటిసారి హారర్ సినిమాలో నటించారు కదా, మరి మీరు ఎలాంటి హోంవర్క్ చేశారు?
Actually my director, who is also the script writer of this movie, he really helped me out to understand Yamini, and there was no audition as such. I just landed on the sets of Yamini Chandrasekhar, and there we started the journey. And most of the things, I think even my character, like I was confused, like what is happening, what's the story of the movie, what's this horror element all about. And he told me that it's better that you don't know the story as such, you just go with the flow, so that you also reveal with the audience like what is happening around her. So it was a good experience, and I think after watching the movie even I got scared. So I think I'm sure that people will love the story. We all love watching horror flicks.
ఇంతకు ముందు మీరు మోడలింగ్ చేశారా?
I do acting mostly, that is television, at the same time ads, advertisements, and movies, that's also there. Yeah.
టీవీ ఇంకా సినిమాలో మీరు ఎలాంటి డిఫరెన్స్ చూసారు?
I think I started my career with television, and I learned a lot about acting there. But then movies are more about it's I think much more detailed work is there. A lot of more research is there, and television is like going with the flow. The stories changes with the TRPs and how the audience react to it. But I think every movie has a particular story, and that is 2.5 hour or 1.5 hour, and there's much more detailing in the movie. So I like all the mediums.
ఎవరు సినిమా ఏదైనా వేరే సినిమా నుండి ఇన్స్పైర్ అయిందా?
No, it's very original. I think most of the Telugu movies are based on original stories. So this is, I think they've already sold the copyrights of the movies and the story also to one of the Hindi producers.
తారక్ రత్న వైఫ్ ఎవరు గురించి ఏదో షేర్ చేసుకున్నారంట కదా, ఏంటది?
Yeah, Alekia, I met her during the shooting of the movie, and she told me that she loved the movie, and I still remember that she was expecting her first baby during watching the movie. So a lot of people were like, okay, maybe you should not watch the movie, but she enjoyed the movie, and she was a little scared also after watching the movie. She told me that I'm scared of you, and I was like, why? And she's like, after watching Yamini, whenever I see you, I imagine Yamini and I get scared. I'm like, okay.
మీరు లాయర్ కావాలి అనుకుంటున్నారని తెలిసింది?
I started when I was in college, I was very confused, as all teenagers are, what they want to do, and I thought that I'll take up law. But then I walked into audition and I got selected, and then this acting bug just struck me, and I was like, okay, I really enjoyed acting, so I gave up law. I didn't complete my law education, and I pursued acting. So it was pursuing my dreams mostly, and my family encouraged me and gave me the confidence that if you want to be an actor, you should just go ahead.
ఫ్యూచర్లో అకాడమిక్స్ పర్స్యూ చేస్తారా?
No, I'm done with my graduation actually, and I'm more interested in creative field. So I think I see myself in doing something creative, not law anymore.
మీ కెరీర్ని ఎలా బిల్డ్ చేసుకోవాలి అనుకుంటున్నారు?
Right now though, I'm enjoying my acting field, and I enjoy painting also. So there are a lot of things that are creative which interest me. and I always believed in going with the flow. So yeah, now I'm looking forward to my another movie also. That's 22 Yards. That's a Hindi project, Hindi movie. So it's been good so far.
బిట్వీన్ నేషనల్ టెలివిజన్ అండ్ టాలీవుడ్ మీ ప్రయారిటీ దేనికి?
I think Tollywood has been really kind to me. I really enjoyed doing all my projects of Telugu movies. So yeah, I mean, it's very close to my heart, so I don't want to make a choice.
టాలీవుడ్లో ఇంకా ఆఫర్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
Right now, no. So I'm really looking forward to this movie's release. I hope that it gives me good response. And right now, I think I'm just busy with my another Hindi project as of now. So let's see how this movie creates the buzz around the audience.
ఎవరు మీద ఫైనల్ రిమార్క్స్ చెప్పండి.
I think you must go and check out the movie because we have made this movie with, which is a little different than the typical romantic movies, and I'm sure you'll enjoy the movie. It's a family entertainer. At the same time, it has its thrills, which I think everyone likes. So yeah, thank you.
రామ్ చరణ్ ప్రస్తుతానికి ధృవ సినిమాలో యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఈ సినిమాని సురేందర్ రెడ్డి డైరెక్షన్ లో అల్లు అరవింద్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్నారు. గీతా ఆర్ట్స్ బ్యానర్ పైన రూపొందుతున్న ఈ సినిమాని దసరాకి గిఫ్ట్ గా October 7th
థియేటర్లో నేను అలా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఒక కెరటంలా వేసి లవుతున్నారు. అలాంటి ప్రయత్న లోపం మళ్ళీ జరగకూడదు అని ఒక కసితో తీసిన సినిమా ఈ చుట్టాలపై. విజయం వచ్చినప్పుడు నాది అనుకోకుండా